Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. As you can see, I've been using it for almost 2 hours, and all the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and we've got two different ways to check some further details. We can tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us how long we've spent on the screen in particular days of the week, so we can compare them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of all used apps and the exact time we've spent on them. And the second way is to tap on the particular app. So it will be easier if I will have more apps to show you, but that's okay. And simply tap on the settings, camera, browser, whatever you will have it. And then you will have also this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so in my case settings. The same situation, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.